Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a company which Nemish Shah has been holding for the past couple of years, even though his name does not appear on the shareholding pattern on the exchanges. Now this is happening because his holding stands at 0.99%, which is below the threshold required for disclosure on the exchanges. Also, this is not our own research. This information was disclosed by Meet, and we will be providing a link to his Twitter handle in the description section for you to go ahead and follow him. He is doing some good work on Twitter, and it is in our interest to go ahead and follow him. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is JSW Steel Limited, which is available at Rs 319.90 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is JSW STEEL. Now JSW Steel is a holding company engaged in the business of production and distribution of iron and steel products. Its segments include steel, power and others, which include cement, mining and construction activities. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company had been on a beautiful uptrend for the majority of the year. However, of late it has had a slight correction. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 77,326.88 crores. The EPS of 33.03 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 9.69, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 16.41. The price to book ratio of 2.78 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a high debt to equity of 1.5804, whereas the return on equity is 0.3386, which is a strong number. JSW Steel has a dividend yield of 1%, whereas the promoter holding is below average at 42.32%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Also, this information is slightly old. This appears in the balance sheet of the last year, due to which the price has already been discounted. Also, please don't just jump in. Please go ahead and do your own analysis around the stock. Build more conviction around your investment decision. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.